Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Mirror Test. A moral story: always value kindness over looks. Little Jenny was very kind to all the people around her. She did not like to see anyone in trouble, and if she did, she helped them. She enjoyed seeing the smiles on people's faces. One day, while on her rounds around the world, the fairy godmother saw Jenny helping a blind man cross the road. She felt happy to see such a kind girl and decided to test her. She placed a magic mirror in her room and then looked in through the window. As Jenny woke up the next day and looked at herself in the mirror, she saw a frightening face. Her hair was gray, her face was swollen, and her eyes were red. Even her nose looked horrible. Suddenly the mirror spoke, "If you want your looks back, you will have to become cruel to your friends and family." Jenny refused to do that. The impressed fairy godmother hugged Jenny and gave her healing powers.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.